habits of excellence, habits of success, entrepreneurship, leadership and management, learning and development, and outlook, mindsets, attitudes. Hello world! Welcome to Ask Louie B. You ask the questions, I'll give the answers. Now it's your time to shine and engage the client. Engage your client from start to end of your virtual presentation meeting. Start the meeting on the right note, right tone with your greetings. So deliver the appropriate greeting based on your KYC. I might use the local language and greet a Cebuano, maayong buntag o maayong hapon. Or I might greet a German, guten Morgen. Or I'd say, selamat pagi to an Indonesian. Also observing cultural norms and business protocols. Use the client's name. Make sure that you pronounce it correctly. Or if you're not sure, you ask the client for guidance. Usually happens with unusual sounding names, unusual name spellings, when you deal with foreign nationalities, or if the name can be pronounced in different ways, like Jean or Jean, or Sheila or Shella. And always mention the name of the highest ranking person first. This is Louie Banta of LJMB. Thank you for watching my video. To watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.